Your Gmail might be tracking your iPhone, and I'll show you how. Most apps and websites are now using AI in their applications, methodologies, etc., including Gmail as well. So Gmail now has a feature called Smart Features, which enables certain elements like smart replies, giving you suggestions also from emails. So basically what it does is it reads your email, reads the contents, then suggests a reply based on whatever that email is about. So this seems good. This is also good. But to some people, this might be invasion because what it would mean is Gmail is actually accessing your email and your content. And sometimes you might not want Gmail to access that. So if you scroll down to settings in your Gmail application, you just open it, you scroll down to settings, then you scroll down and go to data privacy here. If you go to data privacy, you see smart features. So when you turn this setting on, you agree to let Gmail, chat, meet, use your email, chat, video content to personalize your experience and smart features. So basically what it means is all these applications, your Gmail, your chat, your Google Drive, all those Google packages in a sense are being sort of scanned, and the content of all those is also being derived so that it can provide better value for you and better suggestions, better you know just feedback based on what you want to do. So this is a good thing, of course, technologically speaking. However, it might also mean that your privacy is a risk. If you open Google Workspace Smart Features, you see there's this setting. It's automatically turned on, so I didn't turn this on. If you update or your Gmail, you see that this option is already turned on even on your phone as well. So it will show you show events from Gmail in calendar, personalized search, then ask Gemini again to summarize content, find key information along with Gemini Workspace. So, what this does is use your workspace content and activity to personalize your experience. And again, through chat, Gmail, Meet, Google Drive, and more, just all those in that package, or all those applications that are listed in that Google package. It means basically your content is at risk, and this is turned on by default, so you might not even know that it's actually doing this. There's another option here. You can just toggle this off. There's another option, smart features in Google products. So this, you agree to let your Google use your workspace content to personalize your experience in other Google products. So sort of restaurant reservations, in maps, again, suggested tickets, answers and reminders in Google Assistant. Also the Gemini app, again, Gemini. And the funny thing about these options is it says when you turn this setting on, you agree to let. The challenge is when I updated my Gmail, I didn't even see that these settings are turned on. I didn't even know about these settings. So it's almost as if they're saying, I agreed, because it's already turned on. However, I didn't even agree to allowing Gmail to actually do that. And so this is kind of the challenge with that approach that Gmail has taken with these two options. Now, technologically speaking, is this good? Yes, because it provides value, also makes things easier just across the Google Workspace. However, might it also mean an invasion of privacy in your Gmail? Yes, it absolutely does. And you might want to consider to turn this off if you are someone who is so strict about your privacy. If you're not so strict and you want to use these features, then you can really enable these. So what do you think about this video? Do you like it? If you sure do, then make sure you subscribe and also make sure you turn on that notification bell.